how to fix Valorant crashing on startup, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just open your Valorant file location, and here we'll find right games, and now go click Valorant and then live, and here you will find shooter game, and then go to binaries, Win64, and scroll down until you find here Valorant. Now right click on it and then click properties, and after that go to compatibility and then enable run this program as an administrator and click disable full screen optimization, and that's it. Now just click apply and then OK. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.